This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Alcira Salazar. Move-in ready, 2-floor condo located in a gated community close to it all. This condo has carpet throughout, newer tile downstairs. The ground floor features an open floor plan with a spacious kitchen, living room, dining room combo that has been recently renovated with tile flooring, and a half bath as well. Upstairs are 2 large bedrooms with 2 full bathrooms and walk-in closets in each room. The washer and dryer are on the 2nd floor at the top or the stairs, so there is no need to bring your clothes up and down stairs when washing them. The unit comes with 1 assigned parking spot, a storage closet, and a bright and sunny outdoor patio space facing a golf course. The gated community also has a community pool. Pets are okay. This is an annual or longer-term lease property. For more information, review the details below or contact Alcira Salazar at 941-284-7645.